It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to be discussing depreciation, which is a type of percent of decrease. So we're going to have a computer that decreases in value. Here's our question today. Last year, we have a computer that was bought for X dollars. So we don't know how much, it's X dollars. Then we're told that the computer decreased in value and now has a value of 0.65x dollars. We're asked which of the following expressions represents the current value in dollars of the computer, and we're given 4 expressions to pick from. So here's where you're going to pause the video, do your best work, make your answer choice, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So we're told that last year we bought a computer for X dollars. Then the computer decreased in value and now is worth 0.65x dollars. We need to discover which expression represents the current value. So which one of these represents what it is worth now? We know that it's worth 0.65x. It went decreased in value when it started at X. So we know that a decrease represents a depreciation. So depreciation means that something went down in value, which is a type of percent of decrease. So we're going to understand that we started with X. It was what we bought, X dollars we paid for it, and now it's 0.65x. So to understand that a little further, that X represents, there's an invisible 1 here. We write 1 as a percent. We're going to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right, and we get 100%. Then it went down, and now it's worth 0.65x. So that move that decimal point 2 spaces to the right, and we now know it's worth 65%. So we paid 100% of the cost, and now the value of it is 65% of what it was. So we know it decreased. So when we know it decreased, we know that we subtracted 35% to get to 65%. Because what it's worth now, 65% of the original value, and 35% would make it whole. So we know that the percent of decrease to get to 65 was 35. So we know that if we start with that, we're adding here, right? So if we look at our answer choices, we know we have to subtract 35%. So we're not going to add it. And we're certainly not going to add its new value, right? It now has this value. So we're not going to take the original value and add that to it because we know it's decreasing. So we know that we can eliminate answer choices A and C. Now let's go back up here. X represents 1x, the whole, right? 100%. We take the decimal point and we move it 2 spaces to the left to write it as a decimal, and we get 1x. So that's 1x or x. And we're going to take away this written as a decimal, 0.35x, and that will now equal 65% of the whole. 1 subtract 0.35 is equivalent to 0.65x. So we can see that that is answer choice B over here in our answer choices. We know that it wouldn't be this because we're not going to take what we paid for it and subtract what it's worth now. To know what it's worth now, we need to take what we paid for it and subtract the amount of decrease. So answer choice B. Whole, we paid 100%, and it decreased by 35%. And there you have it. That is depreciation, which is a form of percent of decrease, where we discovered that our computer went down in value or depreciated 35%. I thank you for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and that you'll come back soon.